Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob. Yes, I made it through surgery, and I haven't really had time to really do anything out in the shed this summer between a few different injuries and the heat. It's just been crazy, and I have been out here, but I put together a few of my collections. Not obviously the Bonnie collection, but this will be some of my lesser collections. Mckaig and Hatch. There'll also be a PNC, and then finally let's go with our Hinsdale. So sit back, relax, and check out my collections. Okay, here's my collection of Mckaig and Hatch. I've got a 3/8 by 7/16. Here is an 11/16 by 19/32. Forged alloy, Mckaig and Hatch. We have our 13/16 by 7/8. Here we have a 15/16 by 1 inch. Those are my wrenches. I have various pliers. Here's this pair. Kind of has this weird with the flathead. These are 6 inches. Here is just a regular. It's a 4/36 slip joint plier. Definitely gonna have to clean these up, but you can see different embellishments on the handles. You have a tiny one here. It is a 4/35 TN Mckaig and Hatch. So similar to these. And a pair of water pump pliers, Mckaig and Hatch. With the same type of handle. These are going to clean up really, really nice. And finally, Mckaig and Hatch 12-ounce ball peen. So there's my Mckaig and Hatch collection. And one last note is this Ford wrench. If you look down there, you'll see the MH, which is Mckaig and Hatch. You'll see them on other pliers without the Ford script. But again, the MH is Mckaig and Hatch. To note also, which I don't have, is on the Craftsman tools, on some of the old Here is my PNC collection. You can see here we got this big pipe wrench, 18-inch. It's model 1818. can see the PNC right there. Definitely need to, in the works, to get cleaned up. Next, we have our 1712 PNC 12-inch adjustable wrench. Here we have a 1710S PNC, which is the 10-inch. Okay, for double box, we've got the PNC 2228 7/8 by 3/4. We have our PNC 2118, which is 9/16 by 1/2 inch, double box. Combination, we have our 2720 5/8 PNC. Here is our 2818 PNC, which is 9/16 by 1/2 inch. And then final combination wrench, 2710 PNC, it's a 5/16. I have this extension, but we're missing the ball detent, which is 3002. We've got this PNC, which is 3/8, 3028, 7/8, and it's the 12-point. Here is a 5/8 PNC 6020, which is 1/2 inch, 12-point, and another 1/2 inch 6014 PNC, which is 7/16. 3/8 deep well is a 5/8 PNC 3120. This is a deep well 3112 3/8 deep well 3/8. We have a deep well 6020 5/8, which is 1/2 inch. Here we have a 3018 9/16 3/8, which is 12-point. 12-point, and all the deep wells are 12-point. And finally, here's a 3/8 PNC 6012-S, and that is 1/2 inch. This is my PNC collection. Here is my collection of Hinsdale. I have this little Hinsdale spinner wrench. I think that says 11/16. Here we have Hinsdale BE24, which is 3/4. This one is a 5/8 BE20. This one here is a BE18 with a B on it. That's an aftermarket. 9/16. Here, this Hinsdale 1/2 inch by 9/16. And then this one is 3/4 by 5/8 Hinsdale. And then my favorite part is this Hinsdale with the raised lettering. We've got 1/2 inch by 7/16 vanadium steel. Number 2, Hinsdale 9/16 19/32. Number 3, we have 11/16 by 5/8. Number 4, we have a 25/32 by 3/4. Lucky number 5, we've got a 7/8 by 15/16. Here we've got this HD Hinsdale. Number 35, it's 11/16 by 7/8, or 1/2 inch USS by, I can't really tell, 5/8 USS. And then this 5/8 F1 Hinsdale, kind of weird ratchet. This is one of the first ones I found, first ones I've restored. Unfortunately, it is cracked, so it's definitely not a user, but I could probably fix that with some brazing. Next up, this Hinsdale set. It's number 127. Open it up. It's got some refrigeration part tools in it. So we've got this Hinsdale ratchet with the adapter. (3/16), 5/16, (11/32), 9/32, (1/4 inch), (7/32). Now these are all 3/4 inch drive, or sorry, 1/4 inch drive, and we have another 1/4 inch Hinsdale. We've got this for the square nut. SQM-12 Hinsdale. This, I'm not sure. And we've got our 7/32 square to square. Look at that vintage 7. Isn't that cool? We've got the T-bar, Hinsdale. I got this 5/16 Hinsdale line wrench. This beautiful Hinsdale extension. Eight-inch. And then we have our packing nut. Can't really see it very well. Got your Dale, your MZ3, H-Dale. ZM2, your ZM6. Look at that weird angle. Trying to see ZM1. Okay, that was the first one. So there you have it, folks. Here's my collection of Hinsdale. Okay, so you guys saw my little mini collection. What do you think? Hopefully it filled some of your time. So as always, stay safe and we will check you later.